Hey everybody, welcome back to today's video. And in this video, I am back in the kids' room. This has been a few days consecutive that I have just really been focusing on trying to keep the kids' room together. The last couple days, I have been focused on trying to do one task at a time. This way I don't overwhelm myself. And so I started off with the toy chest. I got their wardrobe together, and now I am going to be cleaning their room from top to bottom, corner to corner. As you can see, things are all over the place. I mean, laundry is piling up. I mean, it just gets so hard to maintain their room. So in today's video, that's what I'm going to be doing. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here, which many of you will be. My name is Tanya. I am a mommy of a set of twins, girl, boy, and a newborn, and I create videos on lifestyle, mamahood, and budgeting, all my favorite topics. And like I said, in this video, we are going to be tackling my twins' bedroom. They do share a bedroom for now, and really focusing on loads and loads of laundry, really deep cleaning the floors, the walls, wiping down the wardrobes, and really just focusing on decluttering everything. We're finally heading into spring, and I just think it's a great idea to always refresh, give your bedroom, your area, just a really deep clean. Some things that are really going to be challenging for me in this video is really trying to lift up some of these stains that I really don't even know what that is, but they spend a lot of time sometimes eating in their room, playing in their room. As you can see, there's crayon markings all throughout the bedroom, which is kind of hard because I know that they always love to color, but you can see I've tried scrubbing them out in the past and I can't. The wool is matte. It's a matte finish, and so it gets pretty hard. But anyway, stick around, y'all, and hopefully this can motivate someone to get their kids' bedrooms nice and clean. I hope you enjoy. So we're definitely at the halfway mark, and yeah, I'm just so happy that I was able to get my baby girl's bed cleaned and fresh sheets that I had lying around. These are their matching sets. Now for him, I'm just gonna hang his comforter to sort of air dry because his is not that dirty, and hers, well, I got it out of their hamper, so it was pretty clean, but his sheets I think I'm definitely gonna wash. So I try to wash their sheets maybe once a week, and when I do, I just try to spray down their mattress or their pillow with Lysol disinfectant spray. I know what you guys thinking, the mattress is covered, but you know what, it's just something that I like to do. It's an extra step, yes, but trust me, it's so worth it at the end. And so I really spend a lot of time just making sure that their things are nice and cleaned and sanitized. One of the tricks that I also use is maybe about a scoop full, so maybe like a quarter cup of baking soda that I throw in the wash. And I also use the 7 Elements, their what you call it, their laundry detergent and fabric softener, which is really great. I like to add that to the 9 Elements. Sorry, y'all. I always get that confused with 7 Generation. My bad, y'all. The 9 Elements, really, really good. It's powered by vinegar. If you don't know, it's definitely one of my favorite cleaning products to date. Well, actually, both of them are. So just a little sprinkle, and trust me, it refreshes your clothes really, really well. So just a tip. Okay, so here we at the wall, right? And we're gonna try to take some of this scum off. So I have this all-purpose, can you guys see? All-purpose 7th generation cleaner. Okay, then I'm gonna just give it a whirl and see. I really like this. I don't know, it'll work, maybe not, but we'll see. I have no clue. If anything, I guess I'll just clean it. Really stuck on. Okay, so something is happening. Some of the things are coming out, but not everything. Okay, so that's okay. But since we're here, I'm gonna clean the borders as usual, because they get so gross. Oh, I just hate that this can't come off. Okay, I'm gonna have to try something else. All right, we're gonna keep trying, y'all. Okay, so I'm done. Done. Clean, clean, clean. I'm still just waiting on the laundry. I just did the bed. I'm waiting on the laundry to come out, but the beds are done. Wiped down, put away. And yeah, y'all, I am just so done. I had to turn on the light. I know it don't look great. Sorry, y'all, because we were losing light. But I am so done. So done. I'm hurting, y'all, my back. I'm really hurting. But here we are. We are done with their room, nice and clean, and disinfected. I'm not sure what the right word is, but I'm just so tired, y'all. So thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching my day. I really do appreciate it. In order for this channel to grow, I would appreciate if you guys would like and share, of course, and comment. Everything is welcome. All comments are welcome. I'm not sure how I'm going to respond in a moment, but they are welcome. So thanks again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Have a fantastic day, beautiful people.